Hey everybody, Chris here, back with you with another video. Today we are going to cook hamburgers or cheeseburgers, however you want to say it, brats with some onions on it. Ooh, caramelized onions. I'm gonna put the onions on the grill, put the brats on the grill, the griddle. That's right, that Aldi's griddle that I got. We're gonna do it. We're gonna put it on there and fire it up and get it going. Let's go. So the first thing we got to do, we got to hook this propane tank up back. Little Coleman, all-purpose propane, great for camping. We got to get the threads just right. Let's see how many times it takes for me to get this fire going. Let's see if we can do it on the first try. Here we go. 1. Down. 2. Took 2 times. All right, very good. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we got it lit. It's lit. It's warm. We're gonna clean it up. Just put a little water on it. Slow down. Throw the towel. Get all the dust off of it. It's a little warm. Put that to the side. I'll put my brats on first. So we're having brats, hamburgers, with some caramelized onions. We're gonna do some onions. Went to Walmart today, bought this Weber gourmet burger seasoning. I normally just use salt and pepper, but I thought I'd kick it up a notch. Weber, let me know if you use this, if you tried it. Let me know how it tastes. I want to know. Let me know what your favorite is, because I love to try different stuff. I love it. I love seasoning on my hamburgers. I want to know what you use. Let me know. All right, while these brats are cooking, we'll go ahead and shake a little bit of that Weber on there. Some on there. It's gonna be, should be pretty good. Hope it's good. There. Yeah, oh shit. There we go. All right, I flipped them over. Some of that seasoning on there. Do both sides. All right, go ahead and flip these over. Let's see what they look like. Not bad, look at that. All right. A little burnt. I put that thing on low. Let's turn it on low. It's a little too high. A little low. A little bit below. Low. I'm gonna go ahead and put my caramelized, get my onions ready. We'll go ahead and put a little olive oil on there. Oh, yeah, you can tell where it's running now. See where it's uneven. All right. Oh, somebody commented about me. I need to go buy me a spatula. Well, I got 2 or 3 of these metal ones, so I'm good. This is a Kingsford. I have a Kingsford charcoal grill, and I am going to use it. I am going to make videos with it. Let me tell you what I did. I bought it from somebody used for like $60. Big charcoal grill, and it was a little rusty, so I sanded it down and painted it. I used a high temp paint. It was like 700 degrees. Well, guess what? It got like 850 degrees. Now I got paint peeling off of it. I should have used like 11 or 1200 high temp degrees on that Kingsford grill. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sand it down here in a few weeks. I'm gonna probably make a video on it, sand it down, repaint it, refinish it, put a video out there on how I do it. Yeah, I just didn't use, I should have used a higher temp, more of a higher temp on that. Let's go ahead and flip these over. So we can cook, get a little too cooked. I ain't put the burgers on yet, they don't take long. And that tongs. So yeah, I do have grilling tools. I think what I may do, I went to Walmart when I went today. I got that angus burger. I do want a plastic spatula, a good one, a grill one for outdoor grill. May get one later. This metal will be fine. It'll work. I don't think it's gonna hurt it. Hell, I might not even do anything. We'll just do trial and error on it. Tell you what, put some of this Weber Gourmet Burger season on there. Put it on there. It's gonna hurt nothing. It's gonna do nothing. It tastes good. Look at that. Mix it together. Look at there. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna go on my burgers, my brats. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the burgers on. See where I scooted all the onions up. Put these Angus burgers on. There. What I noticed here, these brats are busted. Look at that. They're starting to bust out of that case, and I've never had that done before. See that? Could be some good eating though. I don't care if they fall out or not. I'm gonna eat them anyway. We'll do it on the back side. Let's check these out. Ain't even sticky. Look at that. Look at that. Looking good. Looking really good. A few more minutes and we're going to be flipping them over. Yeah, I don't know. This Aldi's griddle, pretty good. I like it. Works. This is fine as any other griddle, outdoor griddle. I like it. I don't know what the longevity of this will be. We'll find out. What the hell long it lasts. Maybe it lasts a year. Might last 10, 15 years. It all depends on how you take care of things. My wife likes them burnt. She likes her hamburgers done and the sausage is burnt. You want those brats to cook a little bit better, faster. You bring a pan, put them upside down. It should work. Just cover them. Hang on. Take this pan, this Pioneer woman I bought my wife, she's gonna kill me. There we go. Cover it up like that and just cook them better, faster. Evenly cooked like an oven, kind of like an oven. We'll see how it works. I think it'll work pretty good. Yeah, they come out pretty good. Those Angus burgers are gonna be good. Really good. There. Keep that heat in there. Let's check on these brats to see if they look any better. Steam off of that. Sorry about the movement on that. Sorry about that. So let's see. Oh yeah, they're looking good. That's what I was worried about there, getting those done. I was on a grill with the top, with a grill top. Grill top, you cook a lot faster. So, a lot more even. I got this thing on low, so we're not in a hurry to cook anything. They're looking good. Put these onions on top of here with some provolone cheese. Ooh, see that right there? That's a veggie burger. Or I'd say my burger. This is stepdaughter's burger. She likes these. She can't eat meat. Makes her sick, so she has to use those fake burgers. Bean burgers, whatever they call it. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. We're going to do this. I'm going to put some onions on here. A couple of onions. Wife, she likes little onions. Onions. Today's cheese, we are going to use provolone cheese from Aldi's. Pretty good cheese. There. There. In there. There we go. Put that on there. Very good. Check on these. Look at there. I believe these are done. Look there. Flip them over. Boiling in there, you see that? If you can see it. Yeah, they're done. You're done. They're done. All right, everything is ready. Moment of truth. Take that off. Take these off. Burgers off. The ooey gooey cheese. The ooey gooey cheese on there. I mean, let's get one of these brats. Beer brats. Got it. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Let's slap some mustard on there and give it a taste test. All right, let's get that burger ready. Let's go with this one. Burger. Hot. Now we're gonna do some mayonnaise. Gonna do a little mayonnaise on this. We're gonna taste it and make sure it's good. Little Hellmann's. Go there. We'll put a little mustard on that too. A little mayonnaise mustard. So we got burger. Those sauteed onions. They're there. Melted cheese. So we'll put a little mustard on here. Let's put a little more. We'll try it out. All right, find me a piece of tomato. Put that on there. Put this on there. Do that. We're gonna try it out. Let's see what it tastes like. Now it's time for the taste testing. Here we go. Look at this. Angus burger, beer brats. Let's do the burger first. All right. All right, let's go taste this burger. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Looks so good. Flip it upside down. Flip it upright. Look at that. Could you eat that? Would you eat that? I will eat it. Let's try it out. It's good. Yeah, it's really good. One more bite. Let's do one more bite. That Angus burger, oh, it's so good. It's really good. Pops, it's got a good flavor to it. That Weber's seasoning, hamburger seasoning, I really like it. I like it. What is that? It's got really good flavors in it. I can taste a little pepper, salt, garlic powder, and I can taste that in there definitely. So yeah, now let's taste that brats. All right, here's that brats. I like mine with just mustard. I like a Creole mustard, a spicy mustard. This is just plain old regular mustard. Get it? Here we go. Yeah, that's good. It's really delicious. If you like beer brats, you'll like them. One of my favorite things to do is to put them actually on a charcoal grill. But my charcoal grill is out of commission. So soon, here in the next week or two, I'm going to sand it down completely again. Go buy me some 1200 degree high temp black spray paint it again. Get about 2 or 3 cans. That's what it'll take. Well, that concludes the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't, because it helps me makes me want to make more videos. It really does. The more subscribers I get, the more I want to go, oh my God, I want to make more videos, you know, because people watch, you know, it means you like it if you subscribe. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next time. Thank you.